Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Just a couple of weeks ago, I showed, well, I probably showed it before, how to make this shape. And I'm kind of embarrassed. Well, not embarrassed. If we take this shape, let's make it 10 inches. Well, let me back up and lock my ratio, make it 10. And then if I take this and change my nudge factor to 10, so all these steps I'm going to save by doing it a new way. So I made a duplicate, hit the plus key, made a duplicate, and there is that shape. Well, it leaks. I'm not perfect. Let me see what went wrong here. Oh, they're not 10 inches. So I need to make this 10 inches. Okay, Control D, move it over, hit the plus key, move it down, and then take your smart fill and make that shape. Well, I kind of discovered tonight a better way to do it. Take a square, get the shape tool, and normally default is rounded corners. Well, why don't you go right here and have scallop corners, and watch this. Boom. You got that shape in half the time, or a lot less than half the time. I've used this shape a lot. It's a really interesting shape, and you can do a lot with it. Anyway, hope that little tidbit helped, and thank you for watching.